Hello everybody, my name is Colleen. I just wanted to jump on here and give you guys a quick tutorial on this brand new dance that I choreographed. It is called Teamwork Makes the Dream Work, and it is to the song I Had Some Help by Post Malone and Morgan Wallen. This is a 32 count, 2-wall dance, and it has one tag. All right, let's get into the tutorial. So we're gonna start with our weight on the left. We're going to do some kick and points, okay? So we're going to kick with our right first. So we're going to kick and point left. We're going to do the same thing with the left. Kick left and point right. From here, we're going to take that right leg. We're going to rock forward on it. And then we're going to do some triple steps going backward, right, left, right. From there, we're going to rock on our left, rock. And then we're going to be facing this way for our next move. And we're going to do some cross triple steps. So we're going to go cross and cross. From here, we're going to rock right to the side. We're going to weave to the left. So we're going to go behind and cross. We're going to rock left. Then we're going to weave right, behind and cross. From there, we're going to rock forward on our right, rock. And then we're going to do a coaster step. That's right, left, right. And then we're going to grind left as we quarter. So grind, heel, quarter step. Okay? So that was a grind and quarter turn, excuse me. All right? And that's with the left foot. Then we're going to do another coaster step with the left, coaster step, and then we're going to do 2 diagonal touches with claps. So it'll look like this, diagonal clap, diagonal clap. Okay, so let's do it with some counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's go over the tag. It's going to be on your 4th time around doing the dance, 4 times through, so 4th wall. Okay? So it's a 2-wall dance, but this is on your 4th wall, so 4th time through the dance. It'll start as normal. So we're going to do our kick and points. So kick and point, rock forward, triple back, rock back. And here, instead of cross tripling to the side, we're going to just triple forward. So we're going to go left, right, left. And then we're going to stomp right, stomp left. We're going to hip right and hip left. And then we restart the dance. Okay? Let's do that with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Okay? Let's do the dance all the way through. We're going to do it, we'll do the dance with counts all the way through, and we'll include the tag. But I'm not going to go all the way through all 4 walls. I'm just going to do it a couple times and then go to the tag. But remember, it is the 4th time around. You will hear the music change. So if you do it with the song, you will hear the music change. And I will have a demo linked below that you can check out so you can see the dance all together. All right, so let's do it. We're going to start from the beginning, and I'll add the tag in. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Here comes our tag. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart. All right. You just learned teamwork makes the dream work. Thank you guys so much for being here. I greatly appreciate it. This is a brand new channel, so I'd really appreciate it if you can like, comment, subscribe, all of the YouTube things. I will be starting this channel as a tutorial channel. So come on back. I'm going to leave my Instagram below. It's Dancing with Colleen, or at Dancing with Colleen. And if you guys do this dance, please videotape it. Go ahead, go on Instagram, tag me. I'd love to see you doing it. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy it. I'm going to leave the demo below this video. So you can go ahead and check that out. I did it with a couple of my land dance friends. We had a great time making that. So I really hope you enjoy the demo. So go ahead and click to that if you've already learned the dance. If you need a little extra help, just go ahead, slow down the video, go through it a few times, do it as many times as you need to get it, and then go to that demo and do it along with the music. Can't wait to see you guys out there. All right, bye.